Nice.
Did you see all those bugs on the lake? You can hear the lake humming with bugs. Like buzzing.
I didn't hear that. But I got pretty close to the loons.
Oh.
I think that's the record.
Well, look at the
We built 3 putt-putt boats using the ETF instructions for the boilers and some customization for the hulls based on the materials that we had available. I worked with my daughter Ariana and friend Jerry on the boats. We worked together following the directions the best we could. Jerry was very into quality control, and it almost became a competition as to whose boat was closer to the specifications, especially the boilers. And I was told I had to mention that Jerry's boiler was sealed and didn't leak the first time. We substituted band-aids for tape in some of the places, and it was really convenient working with the sharp aluminum. We used 5-minute epoxy because I had it on hand and it's a very quick setting. A big concern we had was whether the boiler would have enough space in between because the straws would squish down. This still proved to work just fine, but I'd like to experiment with a bigger space. Waiting for the epoxy to cure, we studied fluid dynamics. We used a lot of foil tape, which is a great technology that it has many applications, but for this I'm going to definitely bring it into the school because it seals leaks in a heartbeat. The 3 boats we had, we put them in the lake, and the only problem we had is candles blowing out in the lake, but it worked pretty well in the bathtub. It kept my dog entertained as long as the candle was burning. He was at the edge of the tub. It's a great babysitter for kids and animals alike. I intend on having each student build their own boat, but I'm going to make sure they're in teams to work on quality control together. And also there's a lot of things like folding that take an extra hand or two. It was a fun project.
Tell me about your boat, Jerry.
Silver Streak, untested, inexperienced, but showing a sleek design, attention to detail, and a winning spirit.
Oh, but tell me about your boat.
Aerodynamic, low in the water, high octane, a winner.
What kind